friends, it's Marquee and
Bella.
So today we are unboxing mini brands by Zuru, and there are over 5 to collect, and this is the series 2, and there are actually 70 mini brands that you can get, and we got this from our local store, which is Walmart. So let's get unwrapping. Let's open our first one. Let's have. And I got, friends, I got the zesty Italian sauce made by Kraft, which is very cute. And there are also nutrition facts on the back, which is very detailed. And so, let's look for it over here. We got this one on the list. And so, Bella, what did you get? Oh, she got Kool-Aid. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my God, I wish I got that one. Aw.
It's so cute.
So, oh my God, I got macaroni and cheese.
Yeah.
And Bella got some seasoning thyme. Oh my God, we could actually have a full course dinner with this. Oh my God, do you guys hear that? There's like something in here. I hope there's actually macaroni and cheese. Okay, let's open our next orange slice. Oh my God, what is this? Sweet relish by Heinz.
Ketchup.
Oh my God, we both got ketchup, Bella.
Yeah.
Wow, we're so lucky. Let's put it here. And let's open our next orange slice. Okay, let's open our next orange slice. I got a shopping cart. So now we could finally put our shopping cart.
This, guys.
Okay, let's put on our shopping cart later. Very cool.
Right.
Oops. There's our shopping cart. And let's open our next one. Oh, there's another piece over here. Let's open our next orange slice. Okay. Oh my God, I got McCormick crushed red pepper. Very cool. It doesn't make any sound. Oh my God, what is that? It's Old Bay seasoning. Oops. Okay, let's open our next orange slice. Oh, we opened them all. My favorite is the macaroni and cheese because it makes sounds. What's your favorite?
My favorite is
the Kool-Aid.
the Kool-Aid.
I honestly think that's my favorite as well. Okay, so guys, this is what we got for our mini brands. And this is a cart. It's very cute. It's right here, and it actually works. Has working rollers. And that is it for now. And we'll probably unbox more mini brands in the future to collect them all. And so that's it for today. Bye-bye!